Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of CARevive. Now sorry for the late posting for this next video. It's been pretty bad weather here in the UK and the temperatures have really taken a tumble, so it's been a bit difficult and nasty to try and work outside. But we've got some nice weather today, so the next steps in the RX8 that we're working on is to try and polish out the mistiness in the front headlights if we can today, if light permits, before it gets too dark. We're going to also have a look at the rear lights and particularly the driver's side tail light that is misting up as well. We have over here, let's have a look, some new gaskets to go over and replace the previous broken down ones to make a watertight seal so they don't steam up anymore. Let's pop outside, see how things are looking. The car was really dirty, so I have thrown a bucket of water and some soap over it. It's not a full detail I appreciate, so we'll get a detailing video sorted shortly. So these are the products we'll be using. So although we've already cleaned the car itself, so just some surface wipe to go over. I'll try and find some tape to go around the edges of the panels that surround the light. Rubbing compound. If I need to go any more abrasive, then I can use wet and dry sandpaper. Compound followed by polish, followed by the paste wax that I showed you. So let's see how things are looking outside. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the headlight. It did rain a bit last night, so there is some water on it, but I did throw a bucket over it and some soap. I just dry it off. You see when the water's there that the mistiness appears to have miraculously disappeared. Just get another drier bit. But as it gets drier, you notice the misting starting to reappear. So if I just leave that for a bit, very soon you see the misting starting to appear. So to zoom you in a bit. Quite clearly very misty. So what I'm going to do is use a multi-surface wipe, get rid of any contaminants first. Looks like the car headlight has a cataract or something. So dry off again. By the way, guys, I have got a external mic with wind muffling sponge fitted as close as I can get to my mouth now instead of the standalone mic, but still you can hear how loud that road is outside. Thanks for that. So the first product I'm going to use is the rubbing compound. Now I'm going to get it on with a bit of water, and it's going to get the coarsest areas of the contamination and crazing on that lens off. Get you a bit more of a close-up. Already that's much improved. So next step I'm going to do now is move to the ultimate compound. few seconds to dry. You can even see my reflection there so much clearer. Let's go a little closer for you. Hopefully the camera can focus. That is so much better. Right, on to the next step. So we're going finer still now. We're going to jump to the polish. Give the bottle a shake. So with our same microfiber, completely dry section, I'm just gonna really give it a good polish and a rub now. This is without any water, just dry. To be honest, this headlight's making the rest of the paintwork look really crap now. This is probably the shiniest part of the car. Check that out. That is something else. I'd almost call that flawless. Okay. So our protective layer and step now involves the wax. So as I showed you, I'm using Maguire's Gold Class Canuba Plus Wax. This is going to really help to protect the finish that we have worked so hard to achieve. While we're at it, let me just take you over to the other headlight, but just for reference. Looks bloody awful. Almost looks like the car's gone for a swim, and it's got like sediment inside. But really, if you look up close, you can see a few splodges of water there. But it is all really the lens there that is starting to oxidize and fade things. So coming back across. Oh, by the way, I have relocated the number plate so it's not hanging on by a thread with some zip ties. So that looks just a bit more presentable in terms of the number plate there. So let's give that a few more moments. Okay, so we've given it some more time for the wax to sit on the lens. So using yet another, that's a Porsche something or other going past, another clear and unused dry part of the microfiber, start to polish off. There we go. Give you one more close up. So what an amazing result we've managed to achieve just with some simple off-the-shelf polishing products. No power tools, and used properly can achieve such an amazing result like this.
So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please continue to like, subscribe and comment on the channel, and if you have any improvements, comments, suggestions, then please feel free to message me or to pop them in the comments below. The comments, the followings, the subscribers are all going to make a massive difference to what I can offer you on this channel, and bringing more cars, builds, mods and all that good stuff. So take care, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.